dengan motorsikal enduro yang baru. Ladies and gentlemen, without further delay, sekali lagi majlis diteruskan dengan menjemput yang berbahagia Encik Ismail Ghani, Managing Director of AJPC Seram Berhad, untuk memberikan ataupun kita akan buat slide presentation daripada beliau sendiri. Dengan segala hormatnya, dipersilakan.
Assalamualaikum. Minta maaf lah terpaksa menunjukkan muka saya sekali lagi. Saya harap diorang semua sekolah sikit kan. Okay, so just ni presentation untuk AJP. Sikit sebanyak tentang the company dan the bike itself. Okay, ini adalah model-model yang telah dihasilkan di Portugal. PR3, PR4, PR5 dan PR7. PR7 yang latest, the latest one. Okay, and the values, as you can see there, what drives us to succeed, as what Antonio Pinto is saying, the innovation, the customer orientation, and all the things that were written there, and of course the commitment to develop. That is very important. To develop, produce and deliver motorcycles with strict quality requirements and advanced technology. Provide the utmost care and qualified assistance by a set of qualified technicians. Okay, they just produce something but they know how to produce it. That is very important. There was the history, part of the history of the AJP itself, how it was developed from the 1987 up to now. And there are new bikes coming in also, which is not in the timeline yet. So maybe by end of this year we'll do another launching for that new model. But it's not much different. It's still the same breed, the same enduro bike. Okay, because AJP, they are more into advanced rally and enduro. That's the heritage itself on how it was done by Antonio J. Pinto. Okay, there was the bike in 2001. The first bike that was, the second bike they produced using the PR3 125. This bike is a 4-stroke. It's a mark of the 4-stroke. Previously it was the Ariana 125, it's a 2-stroke. Okay, starting from 2007, sorry, I didn't wear my specs so I cannot see it. Okay, 2007, the first, when they start to create seriously 4-stroke enduro bikes. They started out with a 125cc, a 200cc, and later they came in with a 240cc. There's the bike, as you can see, it's not much different from what you have in front of you. The difference is only the capacity itself. There is the PR7. PR7 was developed in 2016. And to tell you the truth, PR7 is widely sold worldwide. And if we are getting the stock, we have to be fast, right? This is the racing in AJP, which we started up in Brazil, we have it in Portugal itself. We have AJP won the first and second place, which is very good. And in England, in the United Kingdom itself, in 2012, the AJP rider had participated with the PR5 in the famous, the Tough One. It's a race, they call it the Tough One. Conquering brilliant 9th place compared with other makers. As there you can see the lady driver, the lady rider, sorry. And I believe there's a lady rider here also. Yeah, I see you there. Right? Alright? Okay, this is the same model. This is a PR3 bigger picture. The difference is PR3 is much more shorter in length and a little bit small compared to the PR4. Okay, this is the PR4. PR4 was supposed to be bigger than 3. See, 3 is bigger than 4. I mean 3 smaller than 4. So this one is bigger than the PR3. As you can see, this is the PR5. Alright, the PR5 for now, okay, for now, the estimation is around that figure. So I hope that will suit the market in Malaysia actually. And this is the PR7, and that's the estimated price that was going to be, retail Malaysia itself. Okay, and AJP actually, as you can see, the red dot, the red marked area in the world actually is not a zombie thing or disease that was marked in the United Nations Health, but that is actually the dealer, the distributorship for AJP throughout the worldwide. We have it in Malaysia, in Australia, New Zealand, and Africa, Japan, and America itself. And in the United States, actually, this bike is getting famous because of the bike itself. And AJP itself actually is, they have a team of designers from the University of Portugal, which they work closely together to provide something that benefit and good design. To have something that is beautiful, you must have some good quality on that thing also. That's just the apparel and the accessories. So, as you can see, one of my partners is wearing that racing shirt, factory. Right, I think I don't want to brag much about it. So as you can see, if you have any inquiries regarding the bike itself, you can actually ask Mr. Rashidan. He'll be helping you on getting more info about the bike and the commercial issues. Right? Thank you for listening to the presentation itself. Thank you very much.
Alright, terima kasih kepada Yang Berbahagia Encik Ismail Ghani, Managing Director of AJPC Seram Berhad. Okey, dan sebelum tu, alright, ini pesanan daripada penaja. Okey, untuk dealer, dipersilakan untuk berada di pentas utama bagi Sabah dan Sarawak, iaitu Yang Berbahagia Datuk Seri Allen, dan juga Penang Branch Mr. Casey Leong, Thailand HQ Mr. Haji Muhaimin, dan juga bagi Timur, wilayah Timur, bagi Mr. Muhammad Hisham untuk berada di pentas utama. Dengan segala hormat dia dipersilakan. Grup foto ataupun bagi merakamkan 1001 kenangan pada hari ini dan juga sejarah bagi motosikal enduro AGP pada hari ini. thumbs up.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Alright guys, so now we are at the AJP Motorcycle Malaysia launching. So I'll just bring you a quick walk around of the bike first. So let's just look at the models. All the bikes are yet to be officially launched. Today is just a first preview for the mass market first. So it uses the engine oil from Annie. This brand is mostly doing enduro bikes. There's also Supermoto over there. So I'll bring over to you guys to see later on. Alright, let's just see. Right.
Tapi ni biji plastik tau. Dia lain sikit. Tu dia suai dia boleh pak. Dia okey lah.
So this is the bike sound right now. So look at this. There's Google Map also display on the bike. So it's good for those who are going for venture. Carbon fiber. Let me just rev it up. Guys, just brought you all a quick walk around on the bikes. Yeah, so this is the AJP bikes are being launched in Malaysia. Yet to be officially announced